structure which can be followed and which is generally followed for creating scientific posters, brochure, and invitations, that is a Mosaic structure. So Mosaic structure is like this. Suppose this is a poster. Okay. And then you are writing some information in this box. Then you're writing some information in this box. Then you're writing some information again in this box. Then some information you're giving here. Then again some information you're giving in this box. So this is known as Mosaic structure, and this Mosaic structure is generally followed for writing the posters, brochures, and invitations. So this is used when in a small group, the information is to be shared in smaller groups. Okay, and here the information is not given in the structure, in the question answer form. The information is shared directly, and in this structure there is no linear flow of content. There is no linear flow of content. The content can be prioritized as a primary content, secondary content, and the tertiary content, and it is used for writing the web pages, promotional brochures, and promotional materials, and it may also contain images for the illustration purpose. Okay, so this is the, like, you must have seen the conference invitations, brochures on the websites. This type of structure is found. So that is known as the Mosaic structure, where a particular information is confined in a particular area or a particular box. That is known as a Mosaic structure. Then what are the points you have to remember? That make right use of medical terminology. Always maintain a neutral tone. Do not write in creative or flowery language that can give different meaning to the facts. If you're writing for patients, then make sure you do not scare them about a disease or a treatment process. If you're presenting the research document, then always use a reliable source and quote them properly. So this we have already discussed, that right use of terminology is very important. You have to keep in mind that you have to use right terminology at a right place. Always maintain a neutral tone. Do not write it in a flowery or a creative language always, and do not so that otherwise it will be, there will be, maybe it happens that you are writing something else and the readers are understanding something else. And then if you're writing any document which is specifically for the patients, like which you think that is will be generally written read by the patients, like about a disease or a treatment process or something, then explain about that process or the disease, but in a neutral tone, in a positive manner. Do not scare them about that disease or a treatment process. Do not write in that way. Then when you're writing any research document, the information which you are taking for writing that research document, always take that information from the reliable sources, reliable articles, and don't forget to quote them. Like citation and referencing is very important.